Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lendermatch, product recommendation engine specifically designed for Boss users. You can see that we are integrated with Boss, and you're going to see a lot more integrations with Boss and deeper integrations with Boss in the future. Right now, you can navigate Lendermatch through single sign-on this way, and you're immediately going to be in the rate grid screen, which is very similar to application that I think many Quebec brokers are used to. You can change the language here if you like. We fully support English and French. And we also support different themes. If you prefer a dark theme, you can use a dark theme. If you prefer a light theme, you can use a light theme. So you can see here the terms are along the top. The different terms for the products are along the top, and all the different lenders are along the left. Currently, we're filtered to show Quebec lenders and fixed rate products, and FICO score of 680. So I'm going to just remove some of these filters. These are from my last session. And I'm just going to view all the products for Quebec. So we can see here that the best rates for 1-year mortgage in Quebec, 4.99%. And these are all the rates provided for that term for all the lenders. So you can see the best rate is B2B Bank. And there's only one lender that has this best rate. You can see because this is a green colored rate that it's close to the best rate, but it's not the best rate. Similarly, you can see in the 3-year mortgage, best rate is 4.24, and there's many lenders that match that rate, and there's many lenders that are pretty close to that rate. You can drill into a specific lender to see the products they offer, or you can drill into the best rate to see all of the products that are offered at that rate. You can see there's many matching products here. So if we drill into one of them, see here, Scotiabank product matches, and you can see the attributes of the product very clearly here. The other view that you can use is the card view, which when I navigated back, it went directly to the card view. You can see that my filters are still up to 3-year Quebec, 3-year Quebec, and I have these 5 lenders that we're looking at under best rates are still selected. I'm going to unselect those. And now I can see all the lenders with 3-year terms. I can also, like I said, like you saw before, I can FICO score in here requirement, and I can also only for fixed mortgages. And I can see this is sorted by rate, so you can see all of the products with the best rate up at the beginning, and then as you scroll down, you can see some other products that match the filter criteria but have slightly higher rates. Again, if I drill into one of these products, I can see all of the details associated with that product. I can also view by lender. You can see that for the filter criteria we have right now, there are many lenders that match that criteria, and you can see how many products we have matching that criteria. And you can also see the best rate that these lenders have. So this lender has a 4.24 as the best rate across all these products. For this lender, the best rate is 4.89 across all the products that match the filter that we've specified. Okay, you can also look at policies. So you can see here, you can select all of the policies that are supported in Quebec, and when you select this policy, you can see all the guideline categories and all the specific guidelines for each lender associated with that policy. And you can also, if you want to, you can filter by the categories. You can just see this category. You can also filter by lenders if you want to only see the guidelines for a certain lender. We will be adding more B lenders shortly. Next week, you should see all the B lenders on this page also. You can also report feedback. This is going to be much more interactive in the next week or two. In the next week or two, you'll be able to, when you spot an issue in a guideline, or if you spot an issue with a rate, you'll be able to directly interact with that guideline or rate and report an issue with it directly on the screen where you see it. For now, you can go into here, and you can specify whether you found an incorrect rate, an incorrect guideline, bug, if you want some kind of enhancement or some kind of other issue. And then you can specify the details here. Let's say incorrect rate, for example. I won't type in the details, but you could give the details of where you saw the incorrect rate and what the correct rate actually is. You can log the issue. And it takes about a minute, but you'll see the issue eventually under my feedback. This is an issue that I logged earlier today. And on here, you can see the issue is assigned to somebody, when it's in progress, and it's when it's completed. That's about all I have to show to you today. We are going to be rolling out more features on a regular basis. You should be seeing updates every couple of weeks and new videos to watch. So look forward to talking to you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.